This is my first time streaming on Twitch. Well, first time streaming ever. Hopefully everything goes out smoothly. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out for me. So my purpose for the stream today is to learn the Golang. It's been a while since I've been wanting to learn the Go language, and I haven't had time. Usually I was programming Node.js. And I've been hearing a bunch of crap about Node.js, and I've been coding it for 5 years. But I think it's time to learn a new technology maybe, and start using it and trying to implement it into my new projects. And I hope my stream goes well because it's actually my first time ever streaming. So I'm not really sure how it's gonna work out for me. So let's go. I like to use ChatGPT nowadays to do all my learning. So let's go do that right now. I always start off by saying hi to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT. How how are you, good sir? If I sound like this, it's because I'm sick. I've been sick for the past couple of days. Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose. Okay, hold on. Let me do something over here. All right. Hi ChatGPT, how are you, good sir? Always greeted. Hello, I'm doing great, thank you, good sir. How about yourself? What's on your mind? What's on my mind today? Well, I'm thinking about the New Jersey drones. Hoping I don't have to pay rent this month. But anyways, I want to learn the Golang, the Go language. How can I start? Obviously, Google it, correct? Go to the documentation, but I just want to see what recommendations ChatGPT gives me. So I'm not gonna lie. Like I told you guys before, I did want to learn Golang a couple months ago, and I think I installed it. So I have to skip. I'm gonna skip step number 1. Set up your environment. Let me just make sure Go version. I'm just gonna run that in my terminal real quick. Let me see. Go version. Yeah, Go version. Go 1.23.2. It might. I don't think there's been like a major change. All right. So, anyways, let's begin. Start with the tour of Go. It's an interactive way to learn syntax, concepts, and Go standard libraries. Oh man, this is bad. I shouldn't be recording right now. Start with the tour Go. It's an interactive way to learn syntax, concepts, and Go standards library. Focus on data types, int strings, etc. Functions, control structures like loops, conditionals, error handling. Understand key features. Pointers. Man, I'm not even in Firefox. Okay. Understand key features. Pointers. Learn how to Go use pointers without pointer arithmetic. Structs and interfaces. Master Go's way of handling data and abstraction. Concurrency. Learn Go routines and channels to build concurrent programs. Packages. Understand how to organize code using Go's package system. Error handling. Learn idiomatic error handling. Error is nil. Build small projects. Okay, so let's skip some step 4. So the first thing to do was start with the tour Go. All right, it took us to this page over here. So we have this piece of code right here. It's package main import. All right, let me fix my I think that should do it right there. Yeah, that's better. Welcome to the tour of Go programming language. Alright, I don't need to read that. So we have right here file with hello.go, and then importing the package main. Oh, package main. Import fmt. Func main. No arguments, and fmt. I'm guessing the fmt, that's a string. This what's it called? String package maybe. And it has a function called print line. Hello, Jonathan. Let's run that. Hello, Jonathan. You know, I'm gonna try to run this on my local computer. So let's go to terminal. ls. This is into desktop. Okay, we're gonna make their learning go. cd learning. Sorry. So I'm inside go. Let's make there maybe like a first project. Sorry guys, you guys can't really see that. Let me see if I could fix that. That's a little bit better, right? Yeah, I'm looking at my second screen over here, making sure everything is running smoothly. Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna have to show my. Okay. Anyways, this, what was it called? Vim. Hello.go. Oh no, I created a new folder. I forgot. ls cd into first pro. Okay. We ls it to that. Okay. First pro ls. And we have no files. So let's do it. Let's do vim hello.go. And we're in Vim now. I want to see how Vim looks over here. Let me see if I could fix it there. Oh man, what a bad day. This is the only time I have to record, honestly, because during the day I work and then I'm with family. And that's why I'm trying to do these 10:30 p.m. Coding sessions. So let's insert. So it was package main, if I remember correctly. And then import fmt, was it? Yeah, and then the functions are called funcs. What was it? Func hello? I think. Let me double check that for you guys. Func main. I wonder if func main, and then yeah, func main and import fmt package main. Okay, so fmt has the print. Print line. My name, hello, Jonathan. Okay, hello, Jonathan. Let's write that. Let's open a new tab. How do you run the program? Go hello.go. Go hello.go. Unknown command. Run go help for usage. Well, maybe this is not like Node, right? No, this is not Node. What am I thinking? Maybe it's a compile language. Go help. Build, compile package and dependencies. Clean. So I'm in man page right now. Build, compile packages and dependencies. Clean, remove object files and cache files. Show documentation for package or symbol. Fix, reformat package sources. Generate Go files by processing source. Get, install list. Run, compile, and run a Go program. Run. Okay, telemetry tool version. Man, that sucks. Okay, so I think it's run. It's right here. I think you guys are gonna be able to see it right there. So let's try it. Run hello.go. Oh no, go run hello.go. Hello, Jonathan. There you go. Go run hello.go. Okay, so that was it. Run, compile, and run Go program. What was the other one? Build, compile packages and dependencies. Let's just run build for the sake of it and see what happens. If I break my machine, I mean, I need a new one anyways. So just in case you didn't see it, the command is go run hello.go. So I know that in Node.js you don't have to put the extension like hello.js. So I'm just gonna try to run it with just hello. Go run hello. Package hello is not in standard. Okay. That did not work. Okay, so go build hello.go. What happened? Something happened. I ran some code and something happened, so let's check for any new files. So there's a file right there. Hello. What happens if we run that? Hello, Jonathan. So it's I could compile. Okay, it's a runtime and compile language. I could like compile from source. That's what I'm guessing. Honestly, I'm just saying gibberish. I have no idea, dude. I'm not a programmer. I'll just do this as a hobby, just so you guys know that. Okay. Let's begin this. Okay. Now, let's just edit the file just to make sure it's working. Alright. And visual. Okay. It was fmt.print line destroy the world. Okay, we wrote to it. Alright. I don't like how it looks. Let me fix it because it feels, I don't know. Okay, anyways. Okay. What was it? Oh yeah, go run hello.go. Destroy the world. Alright. We're getting somewhere now, right? We are getting somewhere. Should I put some music here? No. Oh no. I don't even know if I'm gonna edit this video, honestly. Let's go back to Firefox. Let's go back to the tour we were taking. I'm in Firefox now. Yep, I'm in Firefox. Okay, anyways. Program exited. Let's go to the next one. The tour is available in other languages. We don't need that. The tour is also available as a standalone program. We don't need that. the Go playground. This store is built on top of the Go playground, a web service that runs on Golang's org servers. The service receives a program, compiles, links, and runs a program inside the sandbox. Yeah, compiles. Then returns the output. There are limitations to the programs that can be run in the playground. In the playground, the time begins at determining the significance of this day is an exercise for the reader. This makes it easier to cache programs by giving them deterministic output. There are also limits on execution time and CPU and memory usage, and the program cannot access external network hosts. The playground uses the latest stable release of Go. Read inside the Go playground to learn more. Okay, so I guess in Go they're always importing the package main, which you can see right there. And now we import FMT, import time, func main, FMT. Do we need to name this function main? What happens if we name the function like hello? Let's try that. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. Okay. Let's just go and name that a function. Okay. What should we name it? Hello. Func hello. Is it gonna work? Am I gonna break my code? Not sure. Let's try it though. Go run hello go. Runtime function main is undeclared in the main package. Oh, okay. So you always have to have a main function. Alright, got it. Not messing with that anymore. Go hello. I'm just trying to program. Go run hello go. Okay. Alright, got it. So main, you always need a main function. The main function that like imports everything or starts or runs a program. Okay, so they're importing FMT and time. Print line, welcome to the playground. Okay, print line, the time is time.now. Alright. Time.now. Alright, easy. Easy stuff, I think. Okay, so we are printing several modules, I guess. FMT and time. Was there a comma between them? No, just like how you see it on the screen. All right. What was it? FMT, the print line. I code on Vim because I don't like to use what do you call it, tools that make life easier. I like to memorize everything in my fingers. I mean, that's the way to learn, I think. The time is and then it was time dot. So I guess print line could take several arguments, right? Time dot now. And over here I am man, I suck at Vim. FMT dot print. The time is time dot now. I think that's what it was. So let's run the program. Time dot now. All right. Okay, it's a capital N. A capital N. My bad machine. Capital N. E. Oh, shoot. 5 words. There's a capital N, guys. Don't forget your capital N. That's how is it on no? Cause on Node time.now. Yeah, it's not capitalized. It's kind of weird for me. Because it seems like the what's it called? The methods, the function, the package methods or whatever functions, they capitalize them like print line. I'm usually used to like console.log without the log being capitalized. Time.now without the N being capitalized. This is kind of weird. But let's see where it takes us. Let's run our program again. The time is... Alright. So that's the time right there. Yeah. Alright. We did it. Func main print line. How long have I been streaming for? I've been streaming for 21 minutes. It doesn't even feel like 21 minutes. I wonder how long this program is gonna go. You finished the first module of the tour. Now click on the tour of Go to find out what else you can learn about Go, or go directly to the next lesson. Let's go to the next lesson. Sorry if I'm breathing too loud. I'm just sick. Every Go program is made of packages. Programs start running in package main. This program is using the packages with import path FMT and math random. By convention, the package's name is the same as the last element of the import path. For instance, the math rand package comprises files that begin with the statement package rand. You know what I just thought of? I need some what do you call it? Oh, the germ killer thinking hand sanitizer. Alright, I got my hand sanitizer right here. I shouldn't be touching my keyboard. I should be sleeping. Getting this sickness over with. Alright. So where were we? We were in Firefox. By convention, the package name is the same as the last element of the import path. For instance, the math rand package comprises files that begin with the statement package rand. What does that even mean? By convention, the package name is the same as the last element of the import path. For instance, math rand package comprises files that begin with statement package rand. Oh, okay, got it. Func main print line. My favorite number is rand int number 10. Alright. Let's try that. Dude, I'm a complete beginner. I'm coming to this objectively like a complete noob. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following the tutorial like a good boy. It was math / rand. Bruh. Okay. And this let's get rid of these. Okay. Okay. Math rand. It was fmt dot print line. My favorite number is semicolon rand dot int number 0. I don't know. Between, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's run this. I don't know why I like complicating my life with Vim, honestly. Invalid argument to int n. So I guess I put invalid number. Oh, 10. I put the 0. That's funny, dude. A 10, Johnny, 10. Alright, let's do this. My favorite number is 2. Int. So that's an int. What about a double? Or a floating double? Or a floating number? Alright. Let's go to... Sorry, guys. I keep saying sorry, I know. This code groups the imports into a parent-sized factor import statement. You can also write, so I guess it's not called modules, it's called packages. You can also write multiple import statements like import fmt, import math, just like Node, yeah. Import from, but it's good style to use a factored import statement. Okay. Okay, import math. Printf, now you have parents G problems. So I'm guessing, this is what I'm guessing, this what's it called, percent sign, it's a global, G stands for global maybe, G. Okay, problems in new line. Math, that's squirt 7. Let's try that. Now you have G problems. Now I have G problems, boy. Okay, import math. Import math. Just so you guys know, I'm not like a real or professional web developer. I just do this as a hobby. So I don't know like industry top level code or none of that. I just do this out of pure love for code on my free time. So anything I do here, don't take it just for entertainment purposes, no educational purposes. Now you now you have G problems. Yeah, G problems. And then the new line was inside here, correct? Yeah, if I'm not wrong, if my memory serves me right, yeah. Right there. Let's put a period like they did. And then it was squirt. Math.squirt. Math.squirt with the capital S. Math.squirt and a 7. So now you have what, 7 problems? Or the square root of 7? I don't know. Let's run that. Now you have G problems. They just give me G problems, bro. Is that supposed to be the output? I don't know. Let me see. Run this. Now you have 2.6 for problems. Yeah, that's what I thought. The G was supposed to give, those numbers were supposed to replace, maybe because I'm not using the latest of Go. Probably. Math.squirt, yeah. Now you have G problems. Yeah, my code is correct. I know I'm not using single quotation marks or anything. G for global. Math squirt. Yeah, I did everything right. But I guess I'm using maybe like an outdated version of Go. Probably. Now you have G problems. Now you have G problems. Okay. When I installed Go a while ago, I don't think I used brew, did I? I don't think so. Now you have G problems. So let me go to terminal and see the Go version again. Go version. Okay, so let's go to Firefox. Okay. Alright, so I'm looking. Why learn docs? Why go? Download. Apple Mac OS. I think I use this installer. Yeah, I think I use installer. Alright, I'm gonna open installer. A previous let me see, is this a previous installation of Go exists? I use your local Go. The installer will remove the previous installation prior to installing. Please back up any data before proceeding. I don't have any data. Continue. Oh yeah, you guys can't see the installer. That's pretty good because it was showing some private data. I'm dumb. Install for all users of this computer. So there's two ways to install Go. You could use the installer, the Apple installer from the website, or you could source it. You could build it from source, or you could also use Homebrew install. Okay. So right now I'm just reinstalling Go, running package scripts. I wonder if I have to what do you call it? I have to source my terminals. Man, I got tired. I'm gonna sit down, guys. It's kind of like a mess in my room, but oh well. I don't think you guys will see it. Yeah, standing desk. All right, the chair's too high. Yeah. How does that look right there? How does that look? You can barely see my neck. Oh, that's better. Alright, John. Try not to cover your mouth. Okay, it's still in the running package scripts. Okay, I got a notification, I think. Somewhere I got a notification. The installation was successful. Close. Move to trash. Go to trash, boy. Alright. Go to the trash, boy. Alright, let's go back to Firefox. I am sick. Alright, so I was trying to run this code right here with this ampersand %G. Oh, you know what? Oh, I'm so dumb. I think I put a backslash instead of a forward. Oh yeah, no, it is a backslash. Okay, so let's check a terminal and see. Okay, Go version. Okay, it updated. The previous one was Go 1.23.2. I know this one is Go 1.23.4. So maybe that little 4 upgrade makes a difference. Let's try it. Let's run a code. No, it doesn't make a difference. No way. Now you have G problems. Why is it doing that on my... I don't get it. Sorry, I'm not. Don't cover your mouth, Johnny. Don't cover your mouth. I honestly don't understand why I'm following the tutorial. How it's supposed to be. FMT. Print. Oh, okay. Nah. Maybe you guys noticed it. I'm a complete dumbass. You guys probably did notice it. It's print F. Print F, Johnny. Print F. Get that into your head. Print F. And I went and installed it, thinking a little upgrade was gonna make a difference. I reinstalled Go, wasting precious time that I could have used learning. Anyways, now let's see if that solved my issue. Ta-da! Now you have 2.645751311064590 problems. And I actually do. Whatever that means. I'm not gonna try to cough it to the mic that often. Man. Okay. I'm gonna try to talk low because I have neighbors. I don't want to be screaming and waking them up. Alright, Johnny boy. Let's continue on a journey. Learning Golang. My stream doesn't have a title. How, dude? How does my stream not have a title? It does have a title. Huh. Dude, I'm completely new to this Twitch stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know, dude. Alright, anyways, let's continue in our journey. Young grasshopper. Alright, so I solved that. Oh. Alright. In Go, a name is exported if it begins with the capital letter. For example, pizza is an exported name as is pie. For example, pizza is an exported name as is pie, which is exported from the math package. Pizza and pie do not start with the capital letter, so they are not exported. In Go, a name is exported if it begins with the capital letter. For example, pizza is an exported name as is pie, which is exported from the math package. Pizza and pie do not start with the capital letter, so they are not exported. When importing a package, you can refer only to exported names. When importing a package, you can refer only to its exported names. Any unexported names, quotation marks, are not accessible from outside the package. Run the code. Notice the error message. To fix the error, rename math.py to math.py and try it again. So they're giving us an error. Sorry, you guys probably don't want to hear my nose snuffles. What was I gonna do? Oh shit, I forgot. Print line. Print line. I just wanted to make sure that I was using the correct print line. Okay, visual. Okay, print line math.py. Those were the instructions given, and those are the instructions I'm going to do. Create errors on purpose. Command line arguments undefined math.py. And then they told us to revert it back to capitalize it. I knew something fishy was going on with these capitalized exports. Okay. Got it. That's pretty sad. No one's watching my stream because it's boring as fuck. Well, but okay, so I have stream elements. Our coffee is now live streaming. No game. Learning Golang. 10:30 p.m. Code no game. Streaming. No game. We'll add up to 10 tags. Programming. Let's add some tags. Programming. Programación in Spanish. Programación. Big titty bitches. Just kidding. Programming. Programación. Coding. Coding stream. Coding sessions. What other tag? Coding session. Golang? Is that Go? Let's use Go. Stream language. Select content types. I think all of this, I was supposed to do it before I started streaming. Yeah, I'm such dumb. Search for a category. Entertainment. Search for a category. What? Programming? Just chatting? How am I supposed to search for a freaking category? They're all... I don't know, dude. I guess I'll do that. I'll figure it out some other time. Okay, I've been streaming for 42 minutes now. Too long. I'm just gonna enjoy this. I don't care if you guys don't like it. Sorry. Hands off the mouth. Let me put some more hand sanitizer. Next. A function can take 0 or more arguments. In this example, add takes two parameters of type int. Notice the type comes after the variable name. For more about why types look that way, do see the article on goals declaration syntax. Should we take a look at it? Let's go. Okay. What? That was published 7th July 2010? My god, dude, that's an old article. Just like me. Damn, 2010. I was a little freshman in high school. Yep, that was me. No, I wasn't even a freshman yet. No, because this is July 2010. Damn. Okay. I'm old. Newcomers to Go wonder why the declaration syntax is different from the tradition established in the C family. In this post, we will compare the two approaches and explain why Go's declarations look as they do. C syntax. First, let's talk about the C syntax. A C took an unusual and clever approach to declaration syntax. Instead of describing the types with special syntax, one writes an expression involving the item being declared and states what type that expression will have. Thus, int x. Exactly. Okay, int x declares to be an int. The expression x will have type int. In general, to figure out how to write the type of a new variable, write In general, to figure out how to write the type of a new variable, write an expression involving that variable that evaluates to a basic type, then put the basic type on the left and the expression on the right. The declarations int p, int a3, int. Is this an array? Yeah, and this is a pointer. I don't know much about C, honestly. I'm gonna be honest. I just do this as a hobby. I started with JavaScript. I'm a web developer. Web developer. I don't know anything about C. Okay, this the declarations int pointer and int array with three variables. State the p is a pointer to an int because p has a type int, and the a is an array of ints because a is an array of ints. Okay, so a is an array of ints because a3, ignoring the particular index value, which is pawned to be the size of the array, has type int. Oh, C has array sizes. That's interesting. I have to learn C now. Forget Go. Let's go to C. Nah, I'm just kidding. Some other time. Not right now. That's maybe a good video idea. What about functions? Originally, C functions declarations wrote the types of the arguments outside the parents, like this: int main, argc, argv, int argc, char, pointer, array argv. Okay, again we see that main is a function because expression main argc returns an int. In modern notation we write int main, int argc, char argv, pointer. Okay, but the basic structure is the same. This is clever syntactic idea that works well for simple types but can get confusing fast. The famous example is declaration of function pointer. Follow the rules and you get this. Int, oh man, my head is hurting. Int pointer fp, function pointer. Int a, int b. Here fp is a pointer to a function. I was correct, pointer to a function, because if you write the expression fpp ab, you'll call a function that returns int. What if one of the p arguments is itself a function? Int if int function int x, int y, int p. My god, dude, my brain feels like spaghetti. That's starting to get hard to read. Of course, I thought this right now. Of course it is. We can't leave out the name of the parameters when we declare a function, so main can be declared. Ain't main, int, char, pointer array. Recall the argv is declared like this, argv. Sorry, this article got me bored, dude. But I must read it. Why? I must read it because I want to know why Go's type system is different. What is type system? TypeScript. I use TypeScript. It sucks. So you drop the name from the middle of its declaration to construct its type. It's not obvious though that you declare something of type char by putting its name in the middle. And look what happens to fp's declaration if you don't name the parameters. Int fp, int. Not only it's not obvious where to put the name inside. Int. It's not exactly clear that it's a function pointer declaration at all. And what if the return type is a function? Damn, I think these people are overthinking everything, bro. It's hard to even see that this declaration is about if pointer that points to a function. You can construct more. Sorry guys, I'm right here. You can construct more elaborate examples, but these should illustrate some of the difficulties a C declaration syntax can introduce. One more point that needs to be made though, because type and declaration syntax are the same, it can be difficult to parse expressions with types in the middle. This is why, for instance, Ccasts always parenthesize the type as in int and pi. Languages outside the C family usually use a distinct type syntax and declarations. Although it's a separate point, the name usually comes first, often followed by a colon. This, our example above, becomes something like in a fictional but illustrative language. X is an int, P is a pointer to an int, and A array3 event. These declarations are clear. If verbose, you just read them left to right. Go takes a cue from here, but in the interest of brevity, it drops a colon and removes some of the keywords. X int, P int, A int. Man, my head hurts. There's no direct correspondence between the look of 3int and how to use a in expression. We'll come back to pointers in the next section. You gain clarity at the cost of separate syntax. Now consider functions. Let's describe the declaration for main as it would read in Go, although the real main function in Go takes no arguments. Okay. Function main, argc int, argv string, int. Int. I get it now. Mint. So it's saying that this function, int. Superficially, that is not much different from C, other than the change from char arrays to strings. But it reads well from left to right. Function main takes an int and slides of strings and returns an int. Drop the parameter names and it's just as clear. They're always first. There's no confusion. Func main int. Okay, one merit of this left to right style is how well it works as the types becomes more complex. Here's a declaration of a function variable. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back to this article later on, dude. Yeah, it's not worth reading it right now. I'm gonna get sleepy. Okay. Package main, import empty, function add, x int, y int, hint, pro. Okay, a lot of ints. You know what? I need some water. Yes. I'll be back, guys. Sorry. Alright guys, I'm back. Now let's see this. Alright, package main, import empty, func add, int x, int y, int, return. So the function is type int, return x plus y. Alright, print line add 42 plus 13. Okay, so I think I memorized this function. I want to write it down myself. Alright. Okay, so they wrote the function up here. Func add, and then they had, what was it? It was x int and y int, and then int because function returns an int, and then return x plus y, correct? And then we print out that result right here. Add 23 and 1, correct? Let's write it. Go no, math important not used. It's giving me an error that I'm importing something and not using it. That's interesting. Node.js doesn't do that for you. Okay. Now let's see. 24. It worked. I did it. So add, it takes two variables of int, type int. And the function itself is an int. Interesting. Alright. Let's go back. Next. Oh, let's run this. Functions continued. When two or more consecutive named function parameters share a type, you can omit the type from all but the last. In this example, we shorten xint, yint to x, yint. Okay, so you could just shorten it. All right, let's just do that. You know, I'm following the tutorial. The docs, I mean. So they just deleted this int right here. Right there. And then this is at a 427. Go around hello 27, correct. I've been streaming for 56 minutes. Dude, I hope you could hear my audio. I think you can. Let me see if you could hear my audio. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do an audio test. That's so weird. Is it working? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do an audio test. That's so weird. Yeah, my audio's working. Okay. Multiple results. A function can return any number of results. The swap function returns swap function returns two strings. Func swap y. Okay, so we have x and y are strings. String return yx. Func main a and b. Swap hello world. Print AB. Why is this? A function can return any number of results. The swap function returns two strings. String, everything's a string, x and y. That semicolon equals sign, that's pretty weird to me. Anyways. So let's write that function then. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't even know. Okay, anyways, so it's telling me right here, a function can return any number of results, right? Something happened. A function can return any number of results. The swap function returns two strings. Function swap x string y string return y x. So just flip it. Func main. Okay. It was func swap x and y string and it was return yx, and then we go over here. Okay. xy, return yx, and then swap hello world. Okay. Oh, I get it. No, a B semicolon equals what? Swap. Hello world. Okay, I see what it's doing. And then it was it was fmt dot print line a b. Correct? I hope so. Let me write it. Not enough arguments in call to swap one string. Okay. So I obviously did something wrong right now. Function swap xy string string return yx swap hello world. Okay, I know what I did. Not enough arguments. Okay, hello. They're separate strings, Johnny. Separate strings, Johnny. World hello. Got it. Swap. That's one way to do it. Alright. I didn't even show that, did I? I didn't even show it. Anyways, I fixed it. So separate strings, hello, world, fmt, print ab. And it gave me the correct result. World hello. Anyways. Alright. Next. Named return values. Goals return values may be named. If so, they are treated as variables defined at the top of the function. These names should be used to document the meaning of the return values. A return statement without arguments returns the named return values. This is known as naked return. Naked return statements should be used only in short functions, as with the example shown here. They can harm readability in the longer functions. So goals return values may be named. If so, they are treated as variables defined at the top of a function. These names should be used to document the meaning of return values. A return statement without arguments returns the named return values. This is known as naked return. Alright, got it. Split sum int. Function split sum. It's an integer. X, y, int. So x is sum times 4 divided by 9. Y is sum minus x. Return. See, this is I'm not understanding this. Sorry, I'm not understanding this part right here. Func split like this. Why is this like split? Like, is this like another argument it's gonna take? I know, like, it explained the article, but like I can't fathom, like my head can't comprehend. It cannot wrap around it. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Chat, I do not understand the syntax. Okay, no worries. Let me break it down for you. The goal syntax is for defining a function with name return values. Let's analyze this step by step. Function split sum int x y int. Func, this keyword declares a function in Go. I knew that. Split, this is the name of the function. I knew that. Sum int, this is a parameter list. It means a function takes one parameter named sum of type int. X and y int, this defines two return values. X and y, both of type int. So the return values are the return values. Okay, return values. Name return values. In Go, you can name the return values directly in the function signature. Here, x and y are the names of the return values. And specifiers that both x and y are integers. And to specify that both x and y are integers. Naming the values is optional, but what you do, they act like variables that are initialized to their zero values for integers and quotation for strings within the function. Alright. Calculate the first return. Call a function assign the return values. What does this little thing mean? It's key takeaway. Name returns. You don't need to explicitly specify return x and y if you name the return values. For things like return so error. Why use name returns improves reliability? Yeah, what they said. Anyways, guys, this has run a little bit long already. I hope I have no viewers. I have no views. What do you call it? I have no views on Twitch at all. But I'm just doing this so I could record my progress. And I hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna go check up on my son because my wife just told me he got a fever right now when I went to get a drink of water. Alright, guys. Anyways, yeah, so I guess my wife told me my son is sick right now with the fever because we're all getting sick and I have to go attend him. I have to be a good father. Unfortunately, nah, I'm just kidding. I love being a good dad. Anyways, guys, peace out.